Once upon a time, a hen had 5 beautiful chicks. As soon as they were born, 4 of them began hopping and running around, chirping loudly with excitement. But one little chick quietly stayed in the corner. He couldn't walk properly, nor could he chirp like the others. The other chicks teased him, saying, "He is so slow, he will never be able to run like us." But the mother hen gently replied, "Everyone has their own time to grow. Be patient. One day, he might be ahead of you all." Days passed. The chicks began to grow, and slowly, the little weak chick started to learn how to walk, chirp, and run. In just a few days, he became so strong that he started running faster than all the others. Everyone was amazed. Now, that chick was not only the fastest, he also cared for everyone. The other chicks felt ashamed and apologized to him.